Yo, forget everything you know about donuts.
Experience the own.
Today we're stepping into Garten's legendary kitchen where millions of traditional donuts are born every single day. If you're a donut lover, this full factory process is gonna blow your mind and make you hungry as hell.
Fresh wheat flour arrives daily, ready to start the baking process in this busy industrial bakery. These bags of premium wheat flour will soon transform into perfectly baked donuts. High-quality sugar is carefully stored, ready to mix with flour for the sweet donuts. Fresh butter blocks are prepared in the warehouse, essential for creating soft, rich donuts. Crates of fresh eggs arrive daily, ready to mix into the perfect donut dough.
Large milk tanks hold the fresh dairy that will soon enrich the donut dough.
Fresh yeast containers are inspected daily, ready to activate the perfect donut dough.
Each ingredient is weighed precisely to maintain consistent donut quality. Precision weighing ensures every donut tastes consistently perfect. High-quality sugar is portioned precisely for perfect sweetness in every donut. Butter is sliced perfectly, ready to blend into the donut dough.
Operated automatically, ensuring consistent dough quality.
High-capacity mixers are prepped with fresh flour, ready for continuous industrial-scale dough production.
Automated sugar delivery ensures exact sweetness for every batch of donuts.
Massive butter blocks are fed automatically, ready to blend into industrial-scale dough production. Automated egg cracking keeps the dough consistent and production flowing at high speed.
Milk is pumped automatically into the dough line, maintaining consistent flow for large-scale production.
All ingredients merge seamlessly on the conveyor, beginning the automated dough production process. The industrial mixer starts combining all ingredients, forming the foundation of the donut dough. The robotic paddles knead the dough thoroughly, ensuring uniform consistency for industrial production. The dough is kneaded thoroughly to ensure uniform consistency across batches. The mixed dough flows onto the conveyor, guided precisely for the next production stage.
Before frying, each dough portion is inspected to ensure perfect shape and quality.
The dough portions enter the proofing chamber, rising perfectly for the next production stage.
The dough enters the proofing chamber, rising perfectly for the next production stage.
The dough portions are carefully placed in fermentation trays, ready for proofing.
The trays enter the warm, humid proofing room, beginning the fermentation process.
The proofing timer counts down, controlling the precise fermentation duration. The dough rises slowly in the proofing trays, doubling in size with perfect texture.
The worker checks the softness of the dough, ensuring proper fermentation.
The poke test confirms the dough has fermented perfectly and is ready for shaping.
The dough has doubled in size, perfectly proofed for the next stage of production.
Temperature and humidity are checked to ensure optimal dough fermentation.
The circular cutter presses perfect donut rings from the flattened dough sheet. The fully proofed dough trays are transported out, ready for shaping. The punched donut holes are collected separately, and excess dough is sent for recycling.
The donut rings are placed on the conveyor with perfect spacing for the next process.
The worker ensures each donut ring is perfectly shaped and aligned on the conveyor.
The conveyor moves the donuts forward at a controlled speed, ready for the next shaping stage.
The proof dough drops onto the automated fryer conveyor, ready for golden perfection.
Bubbles form around the donuts as they begin to fry, creating a perfect golden crust.
The donuts drop into the fryer automatically, starting the golden frying process. The industrial fryer prepares multiple batches simultaneously, maintaining consistent cooking quality. The automatic flip mechanism ensures each donut cooks evenly on all sides. The fryer timer counts down precisely, ensuring each batch cooks perfectly. Steam rises from the freshly fried donuts, highlighting their hot, golden texture.
The donuts are lifted from the fryer and placed on oil drain racks to remove excess oil.
The donuts have reached the perfect golden brown color, ready for the next stage. The hot donuts are transported on the conveyor, maintaining uniform spacing and alignment. The donuts move along the conveyor toward the glazing station, perfectly aligned. The glaze tank is filled with smooth sugar glaze, preparing for the decorating process. The donuts are dipped in sugar glaze, ensuring each piece is perfectly coated. The excess glaze drips slowly, creating a perfectly smooth coating on each donut. The donuts receive a smooth chocolate coating, adding flavor and shine.
Colorful sprinkles are added on top, finishing the decorated donuts perfectly.
The excess glaze drips off, leaving a smooth, glossy finish on each decorated donut.
The decorated donuts cool slightly on the conveyor, keeping the glaze and toppings perfect.
The worker ensures each donut's glaze and toppings meet quality standards.
The finished decorated donuts are perfectly lined up, ready for packaging and delivery.
The packaging line begins, preparing the donuts for final delivery.
Each donut into its box with precision.
Sealed securely for safe transport.
Labels and barcodes are added for tracking and distribution. Each package is inspected to ensure quality and accuracy. Cartons are stacked onto pallets, ready for shipping. Forklifts transport pallets to the shipping area. The donuts are loaded into delivery trucks for distribution.